Hey everyone, welcome back to the Toolify studio. Are you tired of the same old make money online advice? Well, today, I'm revealing 5 new and unique ways to earn money from home some you've probably never heard of. Stick around because number 3 is my personal favorite. Make a free hit on the subscribe button to get some information. Let's dive in. Create and sell an ebook. First up, writing an ebook. Oh, you don't need to be a best-selling author. Share your expertise on cooking, fitness, travel, motivation, mathematics expert, lawyer, or even fiction. Use some free tools, then sell it on Amazon, KDP or Gumroad. Some people make thousands per month just from one ebook. Video course creation. Next, creating video courses. If you know any skill, Excel, painting, coding, package it into a video course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi handle hosting and sales. Charge $5,500 per course. Passive income for years. Make anime videos. Here's the fun one: anime videos. Anime is huge online. Edit compilations, reviews, or watch-along reactions. Monetize via YouTube, AdSense, or Patreon. Some channels earn $10K month just from anime content. Micro jobs online. Short on time? Try micro jobs. Sites like Fiverr, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker pay for quick tasks, transcribing, testing apps, or even data entry. Earn $5.50 per hour in your spare time. Voiceovers. Last but not least, voiceovers. Got a clear voice? Sell voiceover services for ads, audiobooks, or animations on voices.com or Fiverr. Beginners charge $5,200 per project. No fancy equipment needed. Which method are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And if you want a deep dive on any of these, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll make a full tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.